Hello friends, welcome back once again. Today we'll be making everyone's favorite biryani. Let's begin.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
All you need is a few basic ingredients for this recipe. First, take 1 cup of oil in a hot pan. Add few cloves, cinnamon and cardamom. Then add the chopped onions. Mix them really well and wait. Once it's heated, add the garlic ginger paste. Then add 2 tablespoons of chilli powder. After some time, add all the required vegetables like potatoes, beans, carrots, and lots of peas. Mix them really well and leave it for 10 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt. After 5 minutes, add the tomato paste. Mix them and leave it for some time till it is well heated as seen by the steam here. Then add few coriander and mint leaves. 1 cup of curd. And add 2 cups of water. After that, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes until the small bubbles start appearing. Once that happens, cover the lid and let it cook separately in a slow flame. Let us boil the rice till then. Now take the thoroughly washed rice and add it in the boiling water with 1 tablespoon of salt previously added in it. Close the lid and let it boil for some time. Now after 10 to 15 minutes, check if the rice is almost boiled. If that's done, it is now time to add the rice to the previous vegetable mix. Mix them well. Seal it with aluminium foil. And let it cook in medium flame for 5 minutes. And then switch it to low flame for 15 minutes. And that's it. Your simple, delicious and mouth-watering biryani is now ready to be served hot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do try it and please contribute with any feedbacks or ideas. Hope to see you next time. That's it from my side. Bassam signing off. See you until then.
Hold me close till I get up.